It's part 1 of the DNA testing, and this is 3 weeks post test, and the results are finally in. To give you a little background of my heritage as well as Ralph's heritage, both of our parents, both Ralph and I parents, come from Haiti, and that's pretty much all we know. My mother, she always said that, you know, my grandmother, she was Indian, because there was mostly Taino Indians that lived in Haiti before the slaves from Africa were imported to Haiti. And again, this video, we have partnered up with TellmeGen to provide you with this information. I know that some African Americans prefer to go with African Ancestry, but there's a lot of diversity when it comes to the Ancestry DNA testing, and TellmeGen is one of the good ones. Again, on this channel, I wouldn't promote anything that I don't personally believe in, so therefore I'm just sharing with you our personal experiences, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Ooh, I just want to have a good time. So the big news today is our Ancestry DNA test came in. I'm excited and nervous at the same time. Ralph and I, we're gonna read our results together, and then later on I'll tell family members the results. So far, right here it says, you want to pan over to the computer too so they can see it. Right here it says I'm 88% African and 11% European. I never told them my race. I just told them that I was American. I didn't tell them that I was African American. I didn't give them any background information. So 88% African, 11% European. I can believe that because on my mother's side, she's mixed with a lot of stuff. But look, I'm 52% Nigerian. Bantu people, 13.8%. Mandika people, 8.2%. What's Mandika people? Oh, I got a lot of African blood. Okay. Mandika people.
You gotta say it with the accent. Mandika.
Sierra Leone, 6.2%. So my people mostly come from Nigeria. Nigerian people.
Well, not your people, your ancestry. Well,
my ancestry, yeah. Slaves that
like your side of the Haitian. So let me see. So I'm Haitian myself. So let's see.
You want to see yours? No, yeah. I gotta read the 11% European.
Okay.
So I'm 11% West and South European population. Whatever that means, I don't know. African and European, I can believe that. That's awesome. All right, so let's check.
Page. Oh, Daddy didn't do the math yet, but right now your mother's 11%, so that would make you carry the 1, carry the 2. I'm gonna get right back to you about that.
What are all this stuff like? It shows the traits. It's a whole big breakdown of traits. Gambling behavior, slightly increased odds of gambling. How do they know this?
You like to gamble?
I don't know.
You gamble?
Intelligence measures normal. LDL cholesterol levels slightly less. Lactose intolerance, probably intolerant. So I'm gonna FaceTime my mom and tell her my results. Hey, mommy.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. Guess what? I did a Ancestry DNA test to tell me what I'm mixed with. Ou connaît là ou fait test pour si ou blanc, noir, that type of test. And it, my mother. And it told me my results. It said that I'm 88% African. Most of the people that I mixed with is Nigerian, the Isan people. And then I'm 11% European. 11% West and South European. So c'est Moun Blanc. 11% white, 88% black. So what our family, what are we mixed with?
I don't know. I don't know anything.
Yeah.
I don't know anything. I know my grandfather, Papa, he was white.
Okay.
Blue eyes. I don't know where he's from, but I don't know.
Oh.
I don't know.
Yeah.
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 I don't know. Back on it.
Yeah.
Yo gade sou couleur, yo mette parole pa yon.
No, c'est pas ça. Même deal. I didn't tell him anything. The only thing I said was I was American. That's it. That's
Ah non, ah ma haïtien.
Well, this is the whole breakdown. All right. When you go on TellmeGen.com and you check, you'll check my results, and there's a drop down of telling you every single thing that they check you for: your ancestry, traits, drugs, inherited conditions, and complex diseases. So this is it's a lot of information that I won't be able to cover all of it. I think it's worth it, to be honest with you, for anyone to go in and check it out. Let's check you out.
Let's check me out. Check me out.
You ready for your results? Babe, how'd you get these results?
Let me see. What's up? What's up?
You're 0.40% East Asian.
Get out of here.
Yeah. 1.5% American.
Mm-hmm.
But you're mostly African. You're 82% African.
Of course.
14% European. So your European numbers are kind of similar to mine, but just like 4% more.
So I'm 80%. I'm 80%. I mean, wait. We both 80%, right?
Yeah. No. What was my percentage? I can't remember. 6% British. 2.6% Russian. 2.6 West and South European. 1% French. 1.7% French. And Italian. You got a lot of stuff. You mixed with a lot of stuff.
That's crazy.
You are 51% Nigerian. 15% Bantu people. You're 4% Sierra Leone. You're 3% Sinhalese. You got a little bit of Colombian in you. A little bit of Colombian, Brazilian, and Mexican. Very little bit of Mexican.
Arriba.
Intelligence measures, IQ increase. Oh.
What about my IQ? What they say?
Yeah, intelligent measures, IQ increase. Oh.
See? That's par for the course, though.
I'm not gonna read all of it. Wow. I highly recommend taking this because it's worth seeing what your ancestry is. To also mention that they don't sell your information. You sign a whole bunch of waivers in advance to know what's going on with your information. So with that being said, definitely try it out. It's worth a try. Their links is going to be in my description to purchase your TellmeGen DNA test. And I think there's going to be a coupon code once you go into Amazon and check that out. So I thank you so much for watching this video. It was quite interesting, and I'll keep you posted with any other future content. Take care. Paige, why are you so jittery today? You want to listen to Beyonce? You want to listen to Spirit? Okay, let's pull it up.